Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. But I'm working hard, I believe in myself, I'm tracking my trades, I'm making steady progress. It's getting really exciting, man. Cool part is I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube. Real money, real situations. Love to have you be a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And that's the opening bell. So let's get to it. What's up, Wave Rider? So my one for the day is TPR. Huge gap up, as you can see. What up, Santa? It feels like it's gonna be chill for some reason, but I'm gonna be patient. Let us be patient. Yeah, man. Let's see what TPR talking about today. 16K volume. I don't know, it might not be the one if that's all we doing. If that's all we doing on the opening candle, maybe the volume will come on the next candle. You know, I didn't even look and see how this thing trades. Ah, now it's open. Just took a sec. Dang, that's a big spread. Dollar candle. Looking for that wave. You know, I finally accepted the realistic outcomes of this thing. And I've realized that realistically, there's going to be good days. There's going to be like break-even days. And then there's going to be losing days. Like there's no way around that, you know. I think at some point, well, actually probably most of my journey, I felt that I would be able to make a certain target every day. And I don't know if it's still hard for me to completely rule that out, but I guess I feel like I'm finally willing to accept that there's gonna be, just the fact that there's gonna be break even days and there's gonna be losing days. It definitely was hard for me to accept those things um, previously, which is why when I would have a red day, I would crash out because I'm like, oh man, I gotta fix this. Like I can't accept this red day, and that's why it's always been hard for me to walk away with like one small loss. Like I want to keep trying to get it back until I can't try no more. So it's either home run or max loss. But now I'm just realizing like it's just the fact that a stock on any given day is either going to go up, it's going to range, or it's going to go down. And you don't know what days that's going to be. It could be the perfect setup and it'll be just a straight dud, you know, and you just can't control. Even if you watch three, you still you increase the odds of finding what you're looking for, but you also triple the odds of finding what you're not looking for too. So I just, kind of just, I guess, become more realistic. But now I see, okay, a good day on a winning day is managing risk well, taking profits well, and not giving anything back, and finishing, with what you made. And a good day on a break even day is, just accepting that it's break even. Like, okay, cool, maybe you didn't trade at all. That's a great day. And a bad day is one that you took good setups that just didn't work, and you didn't go to max loss because you couldn't accept that it just wasn't popping that day. So like I'm ready to have a good day no matter what the scenario, because I need good versions of all of those days. Like all of those days are a part of the month, you know. There's some nice volume that came in down here, right, in this candle. I'm interested. We're still inside the 5 minute range, but above that nice little tail. I'd like to see one more red candle. Yeah. I like the three candles up though. I could just see like two candles down maybe. I don't know. I might go ahead and take the break of that of 87, but I'd like one more red candle down so I know it's real. There we go. There we go. Now let's see it hold up. It's looking pretty shady right now. I think 86 is a good spot to hold the line. Up, up. Not super wide range now. PLTR.
Order filled.
Hey, check out my R joint right here. Trying something new. Something new. 1.1 R up. This is dope. I like that. I think. What's happening? Now it's 0.1 R. Oh, let's see what's happening. Man, the spread is bananas. 50 cent. I'm very grateful for the fill that I got. Sheesh. That fill could have been disgusting. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. It's either gonna hold 85 or it ain't. Look like it ain't. Hmm. What you mean? It's doing almost 100K a candle. But yeah. As long as the bid doesn't drop 50 cent on me, I'll be okay. That's all I'm worried about. Got 100 shares sitting on the bid.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Mm. Looking back, this is a bad look to jump in afterwards. Hmm. This mug about to fill the gap on the low side. Dollar in the money. Santa ups as usual. I dare you to give me a tight entry. I triple dog dare you. Yeah, SMCI was nice yesterday.
Order filled.
We cooking over 85.10. Man, 386? What? Nah, you can't beat 386. You mean 368? About to say, I know that joker didn't jump $20. There we go. 5 minute reversal is in. See if it's a retracement or is it a real reversal? That's the question now. It's definitely a retracement, so we'll probably get maybe 2 candles in our favor on the 5. Yeah, I was like, dang, Santa, I should have been up there with you, man. That thing jumped $20 in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm just looking at this first entry, man. After this big old high volume red candle, like, bruh, this is like a hell of a bearish signal right here to just jump in, you know. Although it's a nice risk to reward setup, but yeah, man.
Order filled.
Now we just need to see some real volume activate in this mug. It's my Fast and Furious cup, by the way, if y'all was wondering why this says smoke him. Talking about tires, talking about tires. Bruh, you better not come down here and hit my stop. Well, I guess if it does, then you know that this is just a retracement and it's gonna probably continue the downtrend. So it'd be like that sometimes. Try to get it to go your way, but big money got its own plans. Ooh, ah man. Ah, dang, the bid is below my.
Order filled.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, Tesla looks done. Shoot. Mm, mm, mm. Whew. Got volume steadily increasing now. On lip. Hold on 1 second, bro.
Order filled.
I should have waited for a higher low, but the range on this thing is so tiny. I'd rather take this swing for the RR in it. And if it breaks low a day again, I'm just gonna stop. Actually, I'm gonna set this puppy. What is this? 8405. I'm gonna set it just at like 98. On 3 shares at 5 cents. Ain't big of a deal. But kind of got volume steady increasing. Nice narrow range candle. Could have definitely waited for some confirmation, but yeah, I should have waited for some confirmation.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done, yo. I told myself I was gonna wait for the 5 minute for a 5 minute candle to make a new high, but I let this increasing volume and this little spike and this narrow range candle lure me in there instead of waiting for the. I'll just always. It's always worth waiting for the confirmation. It's worth the price you pay uh in the range. Like, bro. Yeah. Man, it did look pretty good too, Joe. Yeah, and you know when the big one come in, it likes to come down one more time. Yeah, I tripped. I tripped. What up, Trey? uh, I just don't. It don't look that bad to me. I mean, I see what you're saying, but I mean, volume's starting to increase. So, I mean, it's actually getting more interesting. I wish I could have just waited for the a higher low, just one higher low. Just one would have been cool. Has no volume. We gonna see. I mean, I'm here now, so I can't. I'm not trading anything else today. So QNTM, RNAS. Boy, these little ticker titles we be trading be wild. Chose lipo. QNTM. Oh man. RNAS. Chose lipo. Oh no, man. This look kind of bottomish right here. I'm gonna let this 5 minute candle make a new high before I touch this thing again. And then I'm gonna wait for a higher low. If it happens. But it's pretty cool, huh? Um, no, 3R was my theoretical max, but look at this volume's increasing, bro. Just let me see. Just let me see. $84.36 is the 5 minute high. All right, there's a 5 minute trigger. I mean, can I got room for two push icy trades. Hilarious. Paul said, "Don't do it." Come on, come down a little bit more. Come on down here to 84. Yeah. Yeah, straight like that. Straight like that. Come on, slow down now.
Order filled.
And is this really momentum changing volume though? Yeah, I think you might have been right on this one, Paul. Could at least risk lower day anyway. But we'll see. Yes. Yeah. LTRY. Mm-mm-mm.
Order filled.
Could have done without that last one for sure. The last one was actually better than the other two trades. But so that's why it was hard for me to pass that one up, because that one was like the more ideal trade compared to the other trade. But it's a process, guys. It's a process, you know. Not great. -4 R Jack. What's going on, man? Um, I appreciate it, Paul. I just the thing about trading reversals. No. I'm definitely done, Paul. I'm definitely done. Um, the thing about trading reversal, I just, if I want to talk about my trading today, I just needed to close my platform to kind of break my trance, but I'm good now. Um, Matter of fact, yeah, but it's like when you're hunting reversals, it's like it's a fine line between a pullback and a downtrend. Like it's like, when do you actually call the pullback a downtrend? You know what I mean? Um, that's where it gets tough. And that's why I'm like, basically, I was talking about why I feel like I should normally not lose more than 3R. Like, I got my daily max loss set at 5R. But I feel like, honestly, I shouldn't lose more than 3. And I think today was also a good example. I was just, I mean, I just still felt like it had the potential on the 5. I really like this hammer candle on the 5, and then it making a new high. It just looked not that different from, any other reversal on the 5, except for maybe these big scary candles right here. Yeah, it does look pretty aggressive, and then looking at the volume, like, all of it's red. It might be also one of the cons of watching only one thing, because it may have a good daily setup, but it just might not trade very well intraday on that day. And then now you're just, I don't know, you just feel like, well, this is my only option. Either I'm not going to trade anything, or I'm going to keep trading it. But I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad though. Like, like Paul said, I didn't do anything egregious. You know, I haven't gone past my max loss. I haven't, crashed out or anything. But I feel like 3 trades, like if I take an entry off the open, like I see something exciting off the open, I don't want to be scared to take it. Like I'm okay with using an R for that. Say I take it, I stop out. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna wait for like a 5 minute looking kind of setup, which never happened over here. Yeah, I didn't get the 5 anyway. I see what you're saying now, Alex. I didn't get the 5 anyway. This is nasty work. Damn, nasty work on the 5. Man, hindsight, boy. Hindsight be clear than a mug, boy. Hindsight is so crispy. Yeah, this nasty. We gotta take a picture of this one. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. uh, yeah. So good experiences. My main objective for this month was to make sure that I didn't have any days bigger, any bad days, any red days bigger than 5R. I did kick off the month with almost 6R, 595. But I think as long as I can keep my red days under 5R, preferably 3, but we'll work on that. But even just keeping them under 5R, I think is would be huge for my month. Would be huge. So, and every day like this is experience. I'm learning a lot from these days. I think a lot of these um red days and stop outs are avoidable. You know. Um a lot of these are avoidable and I can learn a lot from them. So, um I haven't been looking for low of day reversals for that long really. So, um still learning to uh differentiate, between like downward momentum and a retracement at the open, you know. When that can become really clear and easy to spot, that'll be super helpful. ORCL, man, nice price action. 73.31. Oh yeah. Even if you were scared to take this one because it pulled back into the opening range too much, this one's nice. And even if you missed that one, this one on the 5 at a pre-market high, this one was super nice. I like it when they trade like that when I'm trading it. Instead of this crap. Well, my watch picks were, I think I was 3 for 3 before this day. As far as them actually going up and giving me a shot. Let's take a little dive into February so far. Um, what was it that I was coming over here to look at? Bruh, PLTR was ridiculous. This is my off the stream comeback trade that I made to save the day. The shame and the glory. The shame and the glory. Golly. This is my first time actually seeing the executions. All these ads and one sale made back my whole day's losses. Oh man. This was wild. I had 100% of my buying power by this ad right here. Man, things can spin out super quick. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to look at. I'm telling you, my watch list picks. So Monday was KC, and it did trend up, or did it? Oh yeah, it exploded off the open, and I just missed the whole move. Yeah, and then PLTR. Did PLTR go up? Yeah, I guess it did. For a moment, it never broke below a day. So I guess it went up. What if I need to take this day out. Uh, hmm. Yeah, but I think we're off to an okay start. I really wish I stopped at 3R today, just for the optics of my calendar and you know, just letting that red day be red. But in time, I'll get there to where I'm willing to willing to just walk away. It's like the more the month becomes magnified in my mind, the less the day means. So it's like I think it's getting easier to accept red days and walk away without using all of my risk for the day. You know, um, it's tough though, man. Trader gonna trade. Look, see, there's the reversal. Now I'm like, all right, we can fix all this now. I got one more R left. Got a nice higher high, higher low right here. 15-minute green yet? This little 15-minute. Got the 15-minute hammer and the new high. Um, Mostly YouTube University, Nizzy the Great. Mostly YouTube University. Um, yeah, like just hours and hours of YouTube. I've read some books. I spent a small amount of time in a small cap group. Like it's like a guy. It's called 12-15 Day Trading. He had his own coursework and uh like a group where he would send out alerts and we would trade together and stuff. That was actually a really good experience. Um, but yeah, most of my journey has been by myself. Like I haven't the courses that I've bought were like super cheap, like $20 or something like that. I haven't like invested in one of these $3,000 mentorship courses and all of that. But since starting this YouTube channel, man, I've kind of gathered like a pod of like 3 or 4 people who have helped me a lot, man. Just having some other eyes on your trading uh and your processes and things like that, cuz it's like, to me I think the mentorship is really like, if you could just have somebody who's profitable that you can talk to, like just to make sure you're doing, you're going about it the right way. It's kind of like, I work out a lot and I've been in the gym for years, and sometimes you see somebody at the gym like absolutely wasting their time. Like you see them working on the machine, they're not doing the full movement. They don't even have any weight on it. It's just like they're literally wasting their time. And if you do that, you can wake up early and drink your protein shake and come to the gym for 6 months straight. But if you come in and you don't know what the heck you're doing, it'll literally be a waste of time. And I think a lot of people, and I've spent some time myself, like just looking back at, some of the ways that I was doing things, and like, dang, if I just had somebody to look over my shoulder and be like, nah, don't do it this way, or, go that way with this, and just to explain something to me and just to make sure the hard work I'm putting in is actually gonna benefit me, and is actually on the path that I'm trying to walk. Um, but like just trading, the concepts of trading, all that stuff is free, man. It's the approach and the day-to-day struggles that you need the help with, the mentorship and somebody to talk to. So, um, I don't know where you get this thing, but right, exactly. What up, Kay? Um, so it's good to have, if you could get somebody who's profitable, um, to just kind of hold your hand a little bit, even if you had to pay them for that. Like if they were actually profitable and uh, just understood trading, like understanding the concept of risk to reward versus accuracy, and Understanding how to build out a strategy and how the concept of collecting data, and how if you never trade with your rules, you'll never collect any data. And I got like years of trading where I never consistently could follow my rules. So my data is garbage. Like, you know, yeah, for sure. We definitely got some great people in the Discord. Um, I don't know if we have any like long term profitable like people who've been in the game like veterans, but we got some people who've been grinding at this for a while and have some solid experience and definitely understand the concept of profitable trading, and you know the things that need to be in place. So yeah, the Discord has been a huge resource for me. And but yeah, man, like yes, okay. I took a this I was with this trading group, and it was a subscription, but it had coursework with it. So I don't know if you would consider that paying for a course or not. The subscription to group was only like $20 a month, but he had coursework with it. But yeah, other than that, nah, bro, I couldn't afford it, man. I'm poor, bro. Like investing $3,000 plus in a course, or you know, some of these subscriptions are like 250 a month or something like that. Man, I can't afford that. Like the whole reason I'm trading is so I can afford stuff like that. Oh, the spy. Yeah, I know. Um, yeah, so no, I haven't, man. I've been you know, just gathering what I can gather on YouTube. Live Traders, their YouTube channel was a super huge resource for me. Um, yeah, I mean, he puts out hour-long lectures every week and has done that for years. And yeah, I mean, but in hindsight, Nizzy, if I knew, like, if I could trust that I was investing in legit education and mentorship, I think it's worth it. Um, yeah, I like, for example, live traders. Like, I believe in their trading concepts and their approach to trading. Like now, even now, like in the beginning, they seemed legit, but now that I understand trading like from experience, I can look back and still be like, okay, these guys are legit. But like, you know, there's definitely some people I've gone back to look at now and be like, okay, these guys are fake. Like they don't really know anything about trading. But like, so like again, it's kind of like the same analogy with the gym membership. Like if you could pay a trainer to show you how to lift weights and how to get your diet in order so that when you actually go to the gym, all your efforts are focused and efficient, you know what I mean? And you're not wasting a bunch of time. Like I feel like I maybe I could have cut my journey in half if I actually had a step-by-step approach to trading. Oh yeah, S&B Capital's super dope. I super love them. Um, that book, One Good Trade, is a great read too. But yeah, like the coursework, if you pay for a course, now you have like a path, you know, and you can learn things in a practical order and you know slowly build your knowledge base versus YouTube. You know, you come over here and get this piece of information, and then you go over here and get that piece of information, and then you come over there and get that information, and it's just like you're kind of you're figuring it out and building a course for yourself, but you don't know anything about what you're doing. So it's definitely the long way, man. It's possible, but some of these places, they have software and they have simulation stuff for you, and weekly, like Webull traders, man, they seem really legit, and they have a lot of things to like hold your hand. They got weekly mentorships and all of that. If I had the money and just like really wanted to become a trader, I would do it that way, but I just didn't have that luxury. So I think it's good if you can afford it and if you know where you're putting your money. But, sometimes you just got to get it out the mud. Just got to get it out the mud. Hey, what up, Q? CRTY now? Yeah, I know the profile pic. uh, yeah. They do be capping. They do be capping. Yeah, yeah, it's cute now. It ain't been that long. Dang, there's a 15-minute green now. And we got a higher high, higher low on the 5. Still ain't got no volume though. It's going okay. I don't know, kind of, I guess, feeling a little regret. I've realized that I really don't like going past 3R, man. I don't like it. Oh man, I forgot to save my configuration over here. It was pretty cool. Yeah, it's not too bad, but I could have stopped. I could have stopped sooner. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Dang, folks in here was going long. They was selling shit. They was they was buying your shares. Cold world. There we go. I followed the data. Hey, swing trading is where it's at, Nizzy. Like, honestly, this day trading stuff is insane. day trading stuff is insane. I don't need all them screens open. Tell me what I need, Elias. Or Elias. Elias. Tell me what I need. Huh. Man, these things are so cheap. I'm a trend trader. Come on, man. You giving me strategy suggestions and don't know what I'm doing yet. I just trade uptrends on days that have strong uptrend potential. But I knew TPR was sus from pre-market. It didn't have much volume pre-market. The gap was nice, but the volume wasn't there. And yeah. I know sometimes the volume comes in after, which actually come on, bro. You got to give me a little more credit than that. It's all good, man. Um, uh, it's the name, man. The struggle trades, man. It's all good, bro. It's all positivity over here, man. That's how I love to keep it. Got my tea, got my peoples. But the journey's gonna supercharge when I can stay out of these. And until I'm able to stay out of them, I'm limiting my ability to crash out. So, on my good days, my good day will be -1R to minus, like a good bad day would be, -1R to -2 or 3R, you know. So if I can't figure it out, like if I can't spot it and keep myself out, 3R is cool. I don't like 4R. 4R feels nasty. You know what I mean? I appreciate that, Kay. Swang. Oh, snap. 17 mil. Man. I appreciate that, Kay. I'm glad you wasn't in here the other day when these trolls were in here. Drop the S. I dropped the S word and everything, Kay. I wasn't like mad. I was just like, bro, why you talking? Why you talking talking mess like this, bro. Like coming in here talking wild. What up, Nova? Man, I took TPR. TPR had a really nice daily setup, but they didn't have any volume pre-market, and it just kind of died. It died after the open, man. And I don't mind myself taking one or two stabs, but I got a little carried away. A little carried away. But my max loss on the day is 5R, so it wasn't a total epic disaster, but I feel like I could have avoided a couple of these trades. Um, it's just hard being a reversal trader and trying to like turn and look the other way just because it's going down. Cause like, okay, yeah, it's going down. I'm waiting for it to stop going down so I can hop on, you know. But man, I gotta is the coursework legit, Q? Like it's worth the time for sure. I saw your first impression. It was kinda made me think it was kinda elementary. Yeah, nah, it's a real nice vibe in here, Kay. But I've been getting it's you missed it, bro. It was like some rough times in here last week or so, man. Had like 2 days in a row. And the crazy thing is, I had a crazy trade in the background. Like both the days that the trolls came in, I had like 8R or 10R wins on the chart. And um yeah, they was just giving me a hard time, man. Giving me a hard time. It's good for free content. All right. I'm telling you, Jack, and they was like on my head. Like I finally went and blocked dude yesterday. Um, I just I was gonna let the trolls do their thing. It's kind of fun banter to some extent, and free speech and all that good stuff. I'm putting myself out here. I'm not so thin skinned that I can't handle a troll or two. But then I just noticed like the vibe changing and me, it just mess even to do the banter back and forth is just like it's messing with my vibe. Like I'm chilling, man. I'm happy. And I'm working through the things that I'm struggling with. I don't need somebody coming in here and just like making this even harder, you know. Like, come on, bro. Chasing my dream out here and you're gonna come here and kick me? Yeah. What's up, Eli? How's it going, man? Coming here with the wetness. Yeah, I think I'm kind of there at that point now, Kay. I really want to protect the vibe in here for myself and for the community, man. I just want it to be good vibes, man. All that arrogant stuff and nobody knows how to trade but you. And the crazy thing is, bro, I remember a point in my journey where I felt like that. Like I felt like I knew so much about trading and it was just like, I'm just my P&L hasn't caught up to me yet, but I'm profitable. And just like talking about trading like from a perspective of experience and profitability when it just really wasn't there. And I know a lot of people come in here like that, come in here, like, forget about how long I've been trading or, have they even seen any of my, my trading sessions or anything like that. But just like, this is how it's done and you need to not do it that way and you need to do it this way. And it's like, come on, bro. Man, we done. I'm already done, Eli, man. I done got slapped up already. I'm out of there, man. I trade stocks though. We got a couple small cap traders in here. We got Q the short bear in here. We got some large cap traders in here, but yeah, I just do my thing, man. I do I try to stay in the mid cap, large cap area. Oh yeah, for sure. Let me see what you got, Q. Nah, there's some oh, we got index trader. Yeah, forgot about that, K. I don't know. There's definitely some crypto traders that pop in. Um if you're looking for a crew though, man, the Discord links in the description, man. There's some crypto. I got a crypto channel and futures channel. Options, all that good stuff's in there. LGR. Dang, did I look at LGR today? Or is that something else? Dang, boy, PLTR was the one. He is the one. Do you? Man, look at these levels it just crushed from the other day. Oh man, I wish I would have saw PLTR, bro. Look at the daily on that. Oh man, it probably wasn't gapped up. Yeah, it hadn't gapped up. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that's cool. Man, isn't having a mentor the best thing in the world, Kay? Like I'm telling y'all got a network. Not the stock. Yeah, I figured that, T-Lo. uh, Dang, PLTR. What a trade this could have been. To imagine. I mean, you would have had to just dive in at 102 if you didn't get it here. Dang. Yeah, that's a really good question, Trey, because I might have seen PLTR if I had the basket. Dang. I know, bro. I didn't even think about that this morning, bro. Dang. I know there's got to be a watch list in DOS, right? Backed by Peter Thiel. What are you talking about? You pumping the crypto in here, Eli? um, yeah, I'm trying to figure that out, Paul, because the reason I'm only trading one stock is I'm trying to build habits and stop breaking my rules. Because if I can't handle it on one stock, giving myself even more opportunities um, to mess up is not good for the bottom line, you know. So I'm watching one as like, you know, it's like training wheels. Eventually, I you know, I mean, preferably if there's one clear pick, then yeah, I want to be trading that. But You know, sometimes it's a dud, or sometimes there's two or three, and you don't know which one's the right one to trade. Oh, PLTR. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. It's because of the push iced mindset. What you mean, Trey? How much buying power do I have? I got 20x, bro. Well, right now I don't because I don't have much money in my account, but when I'm ready to turn up, I got 20 at my disposal. When that first loss comes, oh, I didn't feel that way today though. I didn't feel like I didn't feel push iced mode today though. I know it looked like that because I was going past my R's, and maybe that is it. Just in essence of doing that. Um, I can't mess with the columns. Okay, there we go. Back in blood. All right, symbol change last. I don't need the bid. Don't need the ask. Volume. Hmm. Oh, my bad. My bad, Trey. I got distracted. Oh my God. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Man, you had complete conviction on this one, Q. You didn't take anything off the table for a minute. Dang. Golly. Yo. Yo. Best fill is over $7 and you're down here start take profit beneath 550. Dang. That's how you do that, bro. That's how you do that there. Dang, man. I like that, Q. That's super dope, man. The data. Man, Paul, I appreciate you seeing that and saying that, man. I didn't feel like I was on Pooh Shiesty. And that last trade that made me go past, he said that last trade that made me go past, I thought that that was a good setup, but those good setups are good setups on bullish charts. Um, but when you see those same things on bearish charts, they don't work the same way. You see how I did that bullish and bearish terminology? I learned from Elias Bid. I'm just poking fun, bro. It's all love. um, let's see. What else do I want to track? They got relative volume on here. RVol, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, they got ATR though. Chat being goofy. Try BTC. Man, crypto, the thing about crypto, there's no volume. Like I can't, there's no, I guess some exchanges might show some volume, but it's not real. Like it would be the volume only coming from that exchange. And my whole trading is based on price and volume. So without volume, I guess with crypto, it's just always tons of volume, huh? Man, how do they not have ATR, yo? Okay. All right, y'all help me build this list. PLTR. Um, let's see here. Uh-oh. Scanners down. Oh, there it is. SMCI, I would say, would be a good one to add. It's looking like it could be in and out of play for the next few weeks. Um, Oracle. Yep. Man, look at AMD. AMD just kicked some super high volume. I'm gonna put AMD up here. It's kind of expensive, but yeah, I guess I gotta say Nvidia. I want some cheaper though, cheaper stocks too though. Rigetti. What's the cap stuff on that? Market cap 3 billion. Okay, yeah, we could put Rigetti on there. Um, Clean Spark. Man, that's so cool. This thing has R-Ball. Bruh, DOS is so much better than Sterling. It's a joke. It's a total joke. I think Tesla probably gonna be out of play for a while though. All right, let me get out of here, man. What time is it? 10:13. It's not too bad. Um, yeah. All right, I'm definitely gonna. Where am I gonna put this? Pop this out. Pop up. All right, cool. All right, so tomorrow, I think I'm going to consider. I think 3R got to be max loss, man. If I can't figure it out in 3 swings, man, we'll just come back tomorrow, you know. So I'm gonna try to hold myself to that 3R. The 5R is just in case, Pooh Shiesty activates, but yeah, I want to stop at 3R in general. Um, yeah, so tomorrow, just keep squeezing on those red days. Really try to dial in those red days. That's where all the work needs to happen. My good days are pretty darn good, you know. Uh, Alhamdulillah for that. But yeah, the bad days is what needs the most attention. So I'm gonna squeeze my restrictions on those days just a little tighter and call it a day at 3R. And yeah, that's it, man. Other than that, things are going pretty well, man. Things are going pretty well. Still green on the month after today. Man, if I would have been thinking about my R's on the month too, that would have really made me stay away from 5R because I'm green 5R before today. And so now we're down to like 2R. 425. Nah, we're down to nothing. We got like $2. $1.50. But just tugging along. Just gotta keep these red days small, man. That's gonna be the key. Keep the red days small and few. But yeah, man. Good day though. Good day. That's all I got, man. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Hit that like button for me if you would. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. I'm out, y'all. Peace.